Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to adjust screen timeout on MacBook. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go open your MacBook, and you'll have a screen like this in front of you. Now let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the Finder, File, Edit, we have the View and Go options, and the Window and Help option. In the top right corner, on the other hand, we have your date, Wi-Fi, battery, and in the bottom of the screen, all of your applications. Well, not all of them, but the ones that you're using the most. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and adjust screen timeout on MacBook. So first of all, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner and select System Settings. So click on here, like so. Then in the sidebar, click on the lock screen. When you find the lock screen and click on the lock screen, you'll see options to turn display off on battery, when initiate turn display off of power adapter with inactive. Click the pop-up menu next to each option and choose your desired timeout duration. This will set how long your MacBook screen stays on when it's not being used, both on battery and when plugged in. And that's basically how you can do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.